Once you're logged into the Rêve Digital Wallet app, select ATM transactions. At the ATM, tap the screen once to begin. Next, choose the Smart PIN option. Select ATM transactions. Manually enter the generated code below the barcode. Type the code exactly as shown into your phone. It's not case sensitive, so uppercase or lowercase letters will work. This step is time sensitive, so you'll need to enter the code quickly and accurately to avoid it expiring. Once entered, tap Generate, then input your 4-digit PIN. Guard your PIN. Please keep your PIN number private. Do not share your PIN with anyone. After that, the system will process and confirm your login. From here, you will have the same options as before. You can do any of the available transactions on the ATM.